It is just mind-blowing. Well, Nick is here, who's an expert in the world of 3D printing, and we've got one in the studio here, Nick. So, is there a downside to this?
There are downsides, yes. First of all, the main thing is you've got to get a CAD model done. So this is a digital, virtual 3D file of your part. Now, the skill is making that.
I see.
You can 3D scan things as well, but that's also, you know, it's not the easiest thing in the world. It's not just as easy as taking a photo and printing out on an inkjet printer, like most people think.
They think, but they just send it. Can you make a 3D version of myself, and they just send you a picture of it?
Yes and no, you can, but it's a lot more complicated than actually just taking a photograph. So you'll have to draw it up, or you can use there's various apps you can use to take lots of photos, and it will generate a 3D object from there, and then you can send that off. But it's not always that simple.
And it's pretty pricey as well, then, the actual kit and the stuff that
you're making it with. Kits range from as little as £500 for some sort of DIY home kits. This one was about 35,000, and they range up to about 200,000, like our latest purchase. Yeah. But I mean, when you saw Marty's film there, it's just incredible what is, you know, what's being produced, and the plan is to get this involved in the space programme. Absolutely. Well, I think Foster and Partners are sending a 3D printer up. Well, in theory, they're going to send a 3D printer up to the surface of the moon. Yeah. Then they're going to use the moon dust as the material to build the actual space station from. So you're not actually you're only sending one machine up. You're not sending any humans or any materials. Yeah. It just goes up and does its job.
And we said you had one in the studio. What have you made?
For you guys, I've made a microphone. So this is how it comes off the printer. It's covered in this
Good.
material here.
This is for Wrench. It's perfect for the voice.
Exactly. About half an hour later, you do a bit of cleaning, remove all this waxy material off there. Yeah. And then you have microphones.
Isn't that perfect? Look at that. And it's amazing because it actually works as well. Alex, it's over to you.
It's brilliant. Bit small, but brilliant. Now, when Liverpool decided to turn over a